Stop settling for mushy basic keys. Your Mac is a precision instrument, and it deserves a keyboard that matches its speed and style. Whether you're a coder, a creative pro, or a serious gamer, the latest boards blend mechanical precision with seamless Apple compatibility. It's time to find the perfect click, clack, or thock for your desk. Unlock total, limitless control. This is the ultimate tool for developers and customization fiends who need that old-school desk presence. The C2 Pro is a beast of reliability. It brings the full-size layout back for those who absolutely need a dedicated number pad, but pairs it with modern, deep customization via QMK/VIA programming. This means you can remap every single key and create complex macros. It uses high-quality double-shot PBT keycaps and the satisfyingly tactile brown switches, which give you a noticeable bump when pressed. Perfect for typing precision. It's built tough for years of intense work. The compact workhorse that doesn't compromise on connectivity or cool factor. The K2 V2 hits the sweet spot for nearly everyone. Its compact 84-key design saves desk space while still retaining essential function keys and navigation arrows. You get the best of both worlds with ultra-reliable Bluetooth and USB-C wired connections. The durable aluminum frame feels premium, and the RGB lighting adds a vibrant aesthetic. Featuring the Gateron G Pro brown switches, you get smooth, precise actuation that works brilliantly whether you're coding or gaming. Minimize the footprint, maximize the style. This is the minimalist's dream board. If you want the satisfaction of a mechanical switch without the towering height, the K3 V2 is the answer. This board is incredibly thin, we're talking ultra slim, thanks to its low-profile Keychron mechanical red switches. These switches offer a quick, linear feel without the tactile bump, making for fast, quiet typing. It connects effortlessly via Bluetooth or USB-C, making it the perfect travel companion or the centerpiece for a clean, streamlined desktop setup. The best typing feel on the market, now in a super quiet, hot swappable package. The F99 Pro is where enthusiast features meet practicality. The gasket structure, a construction style where the internal plate is suspended with dampening material, delivers a soft, cushioned typing experience that feels incredible and dramatically reduces harsh sounds. This silent version features pre-lubed linear switches for quiet operation. But because it's hot swappable, you can literally swap out the switches for any other type without soldering. It's a custom keyboard experience straight out of the box. Pure focus productivity. This is the powerhouse built for seamless integration with the entire Apple ecosystem. Logitech designed the MX Keys Mini to be the ultimate productivity tool for Mac users. While not mechanical, its keys are spherically dished to match the shape of your fingertips, providing a quiet, comfortable, and precise typing experience. It's minimalist, compact, and features intelligent backlighting that adjusts based on ambient light. The best part? It pairs instantly with macOS and iOS and is designed to switch seamlessly between your Mac, iPad, or iPhone with the touch of a button. That's your definitive guide to the best keyboards defining the Mac experience in 2026. Whether you need the precision of a full-size programmer's tool or the seamless portability of a mini wireless marvel, your perfect match is here. All the direct links and details for these keyboards are waiting for you right now in the description box below. Go on, upgrade your fingers.